Hi, everybody. Welcome back to the Weather Forecast Center. Here we go again. Tornado warning for Rockingham, North Carolina. This has just passed through Reedsville, moving to the northwest at 20 miles an hour. This warning goes until 6:15. Seems like it's exiting the area right now. But if you're in this tornado warning, stay in a safe place, lowest floor and interior room away from windows. There's also a tornado warning in Craven County, North Carolina, up near Vanceboro. There's your rotation. Nothing seems definitive, so that's a tornado warning for Craven County in North Carolina until 6:15. If you are in Vanceboro, be in a safe place in the lowest floor and interior room away from windows. Apparently, there was a tornado that touched down in Rocky Mount 5 minutes after I ended the first stream. That caused some damage in Rocky Mount. So, if you are in Rocky Mount, I hope you were in a safe place while that was going on. Here's your rotation. And nothing is definitive, so that is a tornado warning for Craven County, including the city of Vanceboro, until 6:15. Going back to Rockingham County, North Carolina. This seems to have weakened considerably. I know this area very well because I used to come down this way, or we come down to visit in North Carolina. So if you're in Reedsville, be in a safe place until this warning expires. Both of these warnings go for another 6 minutes. The one in Craven County might get extended as it heads to the north at 30 miles an hour. It's already been a long afternoon. We already had tornadoes touch down in North Carolina and I think one in Virginia today. We also had one over in Rocky Mount. There has been one that went through the south and west side of Lewisburg this afternoon, causing some significant damage over that way. So there's a tornado warning for Craven County in North Carolina for the next 5 minutes. We'll see what they do with that, if they extend it northward or not. The tornado watch goes until 8 o'clock tonight, which might likely get extended and possibly cover more areas to the north and west. So I have been live streaming almost nonstop since 10 o'clock last night. Okay, so that tornado warning has been allowed to be canceled. So we will go to Rockingham County, North Carolina. See what they do with this. Currently over Reidsville. And nothing on the ground. Excuse me. So this is a tornado warning for Rockingham County in North Carolina. This is up near the Virginia border. And we will see what they do with this. Continues for 3 more minutes. They may cancel it ahead of time. So there's nothing definitive. It's currently either exiting Reidsville or is along US 29 at this time. And it's moving to the northwest at 30 miles an hour. Just for those that live out in Arizona, there is a severe thunderstorm warning in Gala County, Arizona for 60-mile-an-hour winds and 1-inch diameter hail. And that goes until 6:45 Eastern. Be about 3:45 or 4:45 Arizona time. And they have extended it. So, see if it's still the same county. So, yeah, it's still in the same county. So, they extended the warning out to include Shannon Parks, Wentworth. What's that beeping? Oh. Here comes the rain again. So this is your rotation that's entering the polygon as we speak. If you are in this polygon, be in a safe place. Hall, closet, bathroom on the lowest floor, away from windows. Basement if you got one. No mobile homes, no cars. Nobody should be driving along State Highway 14, Business 29, and in Rockingham County until this storm passes. It's right now over top of it, US 29 in Reedsville, just to the east of Reedsville. That's in the area where this is at. Not definitive, not going to go there until. So this is your broad area of rotation in Rockingham County, North Carolina. This goes until 6:30. Because this, I believe, bumps into another weather, another National Weather Service office. So that's why it cuts off here. Bethlehem, Carter's Grove, Westfield Acres, Meadowwood Acres, University Estates, Shannon Park, North Hills, Village Oaks, and all points north of Reedsville. Needs to be in safe place, interior room on the lowest floor, away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. Nobody should be driving along Highway 14 or Business 29 in Reedsville until this storm passes. Will go for another 13 minutes. This is Rockingham County in North Carolina. Highway 87 might be impacted, so no travel along Highway 87, no travel along Highway 14, period. And nobody should be on Business 29 until this storm passes. Your rotation is down here, about to cross Business 29 in Reedsville. Let's see. This is the only warning in town. Let me look over the flash flood warnings. Numerous areas are under flash flood warnings. Turn around, don't drown. That's all I can say about that. Do not drive in flooded roadways, simply put. So, here's your rotation here. Crossing Business US 29 north of Reedsville, heading to the north and west at, what is the speed? There's another tornado warning. I will get to that in a sec. This is moving at 20 miles an hour to the northwest. There is a new tornado warning for Coswell and Rockingham County, North Carolina. So we will go to that. And it's over Jones. If you are in Jones, Bethel, Oak Haven Farms, be in a safe place now. Interior room on the lowest floor, away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. This is your velocity, which is right here over Jones. Go to correlation coefficient. And nothing is down at the present time. So this is a tornado warning for Coswell and Rockingham County in North Carolina. I think it's until 6:45. And we go back to this tornado warning. Just crossed Business 29, north of Reedsville. Nothing is down. So this is a tornado warning for the next 9 minutes for Rockingham County. This is the one that's north of Reedsville, heading northwest at 20 miles an hour. Shannon Park, University Estates, being a safe place now. Wentworth down the line, being a safe place now. Wow. Wow. That is a very strong signature that just went through Jones. I'm scared of what's under the hood. Okay. So, luckily, even though that looks strong, there's nothing on the ground. Knock on wood. So this is Caswell and Rockingham County. This storm is. This is the county line. So this is Rockingham. This is Caswell. Heading towards Bethel, Swan, Oak Haven Farms, and Ruffin. If you are in any of those areas, please be in a safe place in lowest floor and interior room, away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. Nobody should be traveling along US 29, period, until this storm passes. That is from Ruffin. That is from Ruffin to the Virginia-North Carolina border, south of Danville. So if you are on US 2958, do not continue on 29 south into North Carolina. If you are heading north on 29, do not go past the Business 29 junction in Ruffin until this storm passes. We got another tornado warning. This is for Martin, Pitt, and Beaufort counties in North Carolina. This area has gotten hammered overnight. This includes the east side of Greenville. Your rotation is down here. So Boyd Crossroads, Hams Crossroads, Grimesland. Be in a safe place now. Lowest floor in an interior room away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. Nobody should be traveling along Highway 33, period, until this storm passes. Looks like the tornado threat has started to pick up once again after an hour or so break in the action. So this is a tornado warning now for I gotta get these counties. Sooner or later, I'm gonna get these counties right. Martin, Pitt, and Beaufort counties in North Carolina. We will go back up to the Rockingham County storm. Um, this is all ill-defined now, so well, here's your bright reflectate. Somewhere here, just crossed Highway 14. So nothing is down with that. So as tornado warning for Rockingham County, this is west of the warning here that is currently in Bethel. And there's no debris signature there. But there is strong rotation in Bethel. So if you are in Bethel, Swan, Oak Haven Farms, be in a safe place now. Nobody should be traveling along US 29 from the Business 29 interchange to the Virginia, North Carolina border until this storm passes. We'll go down here to Martin. This is Martin. God, I got to get these counties right. Martin, Pitt, and Beaufort counties in North Carolina. This is in the eastern part of the state. Right here is your rotation, which is west of Cowan. Well, I'm not even going to pronounce that. Okay, that's too difficult for me. So Boyd Crossroads, it's approaching Boyd Crossroads as we speak. Grimesland, be in a safe place now. This is your rotation. And there's no debris signature, and that was just lights flickering. Lights are flickering inside my apartment. That's what kind of startled me. I thought it was lightning outside, but it's not. It's so right now outside my window it is pouring cats and dogs, and windy as all heck outside. Anyway, back to the tornado warnings. So this is for Martin, Pitt, and Beaufort counties in North Carolina. The rotation's going over Boyd's Crossroads right now, heading for Grimesland. Nobody should be traveling along Highway 33 until the storm passes. Period. So that's that. We will go to this one in Coswell and Rockingham counties. This one has moved to the northwest of Bethel now. No debris signature. So that is that one. And then, oh joy. What in the world we got going on here? They reissue this. Yeah, this is reissued. So let me clear this out and then hit it again. Because this is now for Rockingham County, strictly in Rockingham County, until 7 o'clock. This is your rotation here, which is east of Wentworth. So if you're in Wentworth, Whispering Pines, be in a safe place now. There's no debris signature. So places in line. Highway 87. There's no travel on Highway 87, Highway US 311 until this storm passes. Period. We're not even going to go into specifics. We're just going to say no travel along Highway 87 in Rockingham County, period. And no travel along US 311, period, until this storm passes. The border of this polygon cuts through the southwestern side of Eden. So, and Smith Acres, Sunset Hills, Whispering Pines, Laurel Bluffs, Shiloh, if you are in any of those communities, be in a safe place. Hall closet bathroom on the lowest floor, away from windows. Basement is best. No mobile homes, no cars. So we will go to this one, Coswell and Rockingham County. This is your circulation. About to cross Highway 29 to going to north and west. There is no travel on US 29 from the state border to Ruffin until this storm passes, period. Can't take chances in a car. And that just strengthened. While I'm here, I might as well inspect this. Okay, there's no debris signature, so that is a tornado warning for Coswell and Rockingham County in North Carolina. Going back to Martin, Pitt, and Beaufort County in North Carolina. Your rotation is here. There is just in Grimesland, just to the north of there. So if there is no travel on US 264 from Washington to Stratford. Well, we'll say Langley. From Langley to Washington until this storm passes. No traffic along Highway 30, period, until this storm passes. Parts of US 17 are in this warning. You will not be affected by this storm. So you can travel along US 17, even though you have a tornado warning. The threat is well west of US 17. Going back to Coswell and Rockingham County. This is your rotation. About to cross Highway 29. Nobody should be on 29 from the state line to Ruffin and vice versa until this storm passes. Let me see different. That doesn't even show anything. How about this? That's even worse. So I will stick with this product. Go check for debris. No debris. So there's a tornado warning for Coswell and Rockingham County in North Carolina. We will now go to this one in Rockingham County. The rotation is, I'm going to say here, approaching Kirkwood, Piney Fork, and Whippoorwill Hills. If you are in those areas, be in a safe place. Whole closet bathroom on the lowest floor, away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. And now we go back to Martin, Pitt, and Beaufort counties. Try and spend equal time with each one. I mean, I might be driving people insane, but this is your rotation about to cross US 264 in Patalas. Look for debris. No debris. So it's just a rotating storm. I should say a rotating rainstorm. Here, approaching US 264, heading for Patalas. If you are in Patalas, you should be in safe place, in interior room on lowest floor, away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. No travel along US 264 until this storm passes. And nobody should be on Highway 30, period, until this storm weakens or this warning is canceled. That goes for Witchard and Stokes. You are down the line. Actually, looks like the rotation is down here. So no traffic on US 264 for the next 20 minutes. There's no debris. Hopefully it stays that way, but I can't guarantee that. So that is that storm. We will now go to Coswell and Rockingham County. This is in effect for another 6 minutes. This is approaching the Rockingham-Coswell County line. It is in the process of crossing US 29. So continue no traffic on 29 from the state line to Ruffin until this storm passes. So that is the situation in Coswell and Rockingham County. This is the county line. This is the county line. Rockingham, Coswell. This warning's in effect for 5 more minutes. I've seen it starting to weaken, so they probably will allow this to expire in 5 minutes or sooner. It's not well defined. So now we go to this one That's in Rockingham County itself. Um, this looks messy. Um, so it's showing it right here. God, come on, there you go. About to cross Highway 87, heading towards Whippoorwill Hills. Boy, that's a tongue twister. Whispering Pines, Providence, Green Knolls, Whippoorwill Hills, Kirkwood, Piney Fork, be in a safe place. Let's go back to Martin, Pitt, and Beaufort County. God, that's ugly. Let's do this. That doesn't. Let's do this. This is in the process of crossing 264 at Petolis. If you're in Petolis, stay in a safe place. Lowest floor and into your room, away from windows. Nobody should be traveling along Highway 30, period, until this storm passes. And Highway 30 goes from US 13 to US 264. So nobody should be on Highway 30, period, at all. That's your rotation. This is heading north at about 30 miles an hour. No debris signature. So now we're down to 2. So now we'll go to Rockingham County. Looks like this is your rotation that's heading for Rockingham County, Shiloh Airport. So if you're at the airport, you should be taking shelter. No traffic along US 311, period, until this storm passes. There's no debris. Hopefully it'll stay that way, but can't guarantee it for the rest of the night. So if you were in Shiloh, be in a safe place. That's along Highway 311. And it's pouring cats and dogs here at my house, or at my apartment. So this warning goes for another 16 minutes, but I think that this is starting to exit sooner unless they are warning, keeping it up for this rotation here that's down here by Highway 87. Looks like they updated it. So let me take a look at that. No, they didn't. So they said it was over Wentworth, moving northwest at 20. And okay, so they canceled that tornado warning. So now we're down to 1, which is Martin, Pitt, and Beaufort County in the eastern part of North Carolina. We gotta watch this. We gotta watch this down here towards Ham's Crossroads and Boyd's Crossroads again. But the main one that they warned about is here in um, just north of US 264. So people that want to travel along US 264, don't do so for the next 5 minutes. No debris. No debris is good news. But we got to keep an eye on this one that's developing down here at Ham's Crossroads. Um, So the main circulation now is north of Ham's Crossroads. And then you got this one that's over here towards Legette's Crossroads. How many times have I said that in the last 24 hours? Legette's Crossroads. I mean, you know? No debris signature in either one of those. So there's a new tornado warning. This is for Caroline, Spotsylvania, and Hanover counties in Virginia. So here we go, heading into Virginia now. Your rotation is here along I-95. Man, you talk about being in a bad spot. You know, you're traveling along 95 and you see a wall cloud. You know, you talk about bad spot. So this is north of Doswell. This is north of King's Dominion. This is heading towards Golinsville, Coffee Corner, Cedar Fork, Ladysmith. This is heading which direction? Yeah. So this storm was located near King's Dominion, moving northwest of 35. So this was just down here near Doswell. So if you are traveling on Interstate 95, you are safe for the time being. And also US Route 1. Your rotation is now west of both those highways, heading to the northwest at 30 miles an hour. I mean, I see, I see people hopping on, hopping off. Just want you to know that, there is a tornado watch in this area until 8 o'clock, and odds are it'll probably be extended later. Actually, they probably just did. Yep. So they extended this tornado watch. This goes from DC, Maryland, eastern North Carolina, central and eastern Virginia, the eastern West Virginia panhandle, and the coastal waters until 7 in the morning. So this is heading towards the DC metro area. This is your tornado watch. Basically, almost all of Maryland, this is your tornado watch. It is extensive. And this goes until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. So we got a long way to go with this. Might be another restless, another long night for me. So that is your tornado watch. That's in effect until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. Currently, we have 2 tornado warnings. We'll go to Martin, Pitt, and Beaufort counties. Your circulation is here. Approaching Robertsonville. If you are in Robertsonville, be in a safe place now. No travel along Highway 13/64, period, until this storm passes. And Robertsonville, you got Church Crossroads, Bear Grass. This is over Congleton. Check for debris. No debris. So far, so good. Also, nobody should be traveling along Highway 903, period, until this storm passes. Now we'll go back to Virginia. There's a strong circulation here, just west of U.S. Route 1 and Interstate 95. No debris. Check the attributes on this. Okay, it doesn't have a meso, but it's spinning, so this is a tornado warning for Caroline, Spotsylvania, and Hanover counties in Virginia. I don't know if they're counties or cities. So Spotsylvania County has been taken out of this. Excuse me. So Spotsylvania County has been taken out of this warning. So if you're in Spotsylvania County, you are good to go on with your business. This warning is in effect until 6 or 7:30. This was over near King's Dominion, heading to the northwest. Okay, so they updated this. Still radar indicated. So this is near Ladysmith. Moving northwest at 35. So Ladysmith. So I guess they're calling all of this Ladysmith. I guess so. Here is your rotation over by Cedar Fork. Coffee Corner, heading towards Charlesburg or Chilliesburg. Being in a safe place now. If you have a Lady Smith mailing address, be in a safe place now. Lowest floor and interior room, away from windows. This is going to be another long night. I'm going on another hour. No debris. So that storm, and we got another tornado warning. This is for Vance, Franklin, and Warren County in North Carolina. How many times I've called this out today? Let's see. Where? And Lewisburg was already hit by a tornado earlier this afternoon. And here we go again. It was located near Lewisburg, moving north at 40. So it was near Lewisburg. So we are talking about this area in here. Just crossed Highway 401. So this is a long polygon. So first I'm going to start with roads. Nobody should be traveling along Interstate 85 from Oxford to the Virginia state line, period, until the storm passes. Nobody should be on U.S. Route 1 from Cottrell to the state line until the storm passes. Nobody should be on Highway 39 until this storm passes. And here in Lakeview, no signs of debris, but this may Rocky Ford called your town out earlier this afternoon. Here you go again. Boy, you know, I have a hunch it's this. And if it is that, there are a few pixels. Okay, it's not. God forbid. So scratch what I was just about to say. So here in Lakeview, Epsom, Rocky Ford, Vicksboro, be in a safe place now. Lowest floor, interior room, away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. Going back to Martin, Pitt, and Beaufort counties in North Carolina. Your circulation is right here approaching Highway 903 in Robertsonville and Everett. If you are in those communities, be in a safe place. Lowest floor, interior room, away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. Nobody should be traveling along US 13/64 between Bethel and Wilmington until this storm passes. Nobody should be traveling along Highway 11 also until the storm passes, and also Highway 125 until this storm passes. We have a tornado warning in Delaware, of all places. And here it is. This is a tornado warning for Newcastle County in Delaware. This is approaching I-95. So if you're on I-95, there should be no travel along I-95 in Delaware, period, until this storm passes. Marshallton, Stanton, Heather Valley. Be in a safe place now. Lowest floor and interior room, away from windows. Moving north of 35. They might be extending the watch up into the Delaware Valley soon. Wow. Near Stanton. If it's over Stanton, we might have it's a Meso 2. So, yeah, no. Not definitive, but not even going to go there. So there is a tornado warning for Newcastle County, Delaware. Until 7:30. Now, I can't do a reset because I got warnings all over the place. We're going to go back down here into North Carolina. Excuse me. So this rotation is over Robertsonville or near Everett's, moving to the north. Right now it's crossing Highway 13/64. Nobody should be on that highway right now. No debris. So that's your warning in North Carolina. Up to Caroline, Spotsylvania, and Hanover County. So this rotation is in Childsburg, moving to the northwest at about 30 miles an hour. This is going to be leaving the county. See what the National Weather Service does with this if it extends it further to the north and west. Down to Vance, Franklin, and Warren counties in North Carolina. Looks like it's here along Highway 39. We may have a tornado down. That's a tornado down north of Epsom. This is a tornado down in Vance. Oh, God. What is it? Vance? Now there's 5 tornado warnings. Vance, Franklin, and Warren County. There is a tornado down in Epsom, heading to the north at 30 miles an hour. This is your tornado heading due north. Vicksboro Road. Anybody that lives out here, Vicksboro Road, Faulkner Crossroads, Vicksboro. Be in a safe place now. Interior room on the lowest floor away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. There are several tornado warnings. I gotta hit them all. Going back to Delaware. Circulation now is southwest of Stanton, near Highway 7, heading north. So Heather Valley, Brackenville Woods, Ashland, Quaker Hill. Be in a safe place now. This is going to be west of Ellesmere. So that is your tornado warning in Newcastle County, Delaware. There's a new tornado warning in Caroline County, Virginia. For this, here approaching 301 in Bowling Green. That might be, there's no debris with that, so we will keep an eye on that. We need to go back to this one in Vance, Warren, and Franklin counties, because this is a tornado that's down here, just north of Highway 39. Middleburg, you need to be in a safe place right now. That is a tornado that's on the ground. No doubt on the ground. It's a small one, but only takes small one. Weldon's Mill. If you are in Weldon's Mill, you need to be in a safe place right now. Don't wait. Don't walk. Run. Get into a safe place now. Weldon's Mill Road, Cog Hill, Dickerson Lane, Vicksboro Road. In this triangle, this is where the storm is going. Be in a safe place now. This is now nowcasting for this storm. I wonder if they upgraded it. It is observed now. So this is an observed tornado now in Vance, Warren, and Franklin counties. They're saying it's near Henderson. It's not near Henderson. I will be following this for you guys since this is now on the ground. Weldon's Mill. If you live in the Weldon's Mill section or community, if you live along Weldon's Mill Road, Vicksboro Road, and Cog Hill Dickerson Lane, this triangle, be in a safe place now. This tornado that is down is heading your direction. Okay? I gotta go. So we're down to 3 now. So we got this one. We got one here in Newcastle County, Delaware. So Newport, be in a safe place now. This is approaching Marshallton. If you are in Marshallton, Heather Valley, Anglesey. This is crossing Highway 7 right now. Nobody should be on Highway 7 right now. And then no debris with that. So this is for Marshallton, Anglesey, Ashland, Quaker Hill, Brackenville. Be in a safe place now. This is west of Newport. Nobody should be traveling on Highway 41 or 48 until this storm passes. That is the situation in Delaware. Go to Virginia real quick. So this is your rotation that just crossed US 301. Nobody should be on Highway 2, period, until the storm passes. This is mostly a rural part of this county, luckily. And there's no debris with that. So that is a tornado warning for Caroline County in Virginia. We go down to North Carolina for this tornado that is on the ground. Go to the correlation coefficient. So this is your tornado. Waiting for it to update. Okay, so it is near Henderson. Okay, so Henderson, especially on the east side of Henderson, need to be in a safe place now. Nobody should be driving along US 1 or 80 or Interstate 85 until this storm passes. Period. From the state line to Henderson. This is your tornado, which is crossing Vicksboro Road right now. So Cokesbury, Middleburg, you're next down the line. Be in a safe place now. Lowest floor in an interior room away from windows. So we're working 3. 1 is down. So we're going to stick with this one since this one is down. This is just west of Vicksboro, along Vicksboro Road. That's your tornado heading north at 30 miles an hour. Could be a little bit faster than that, but I'm taking an average of what they've been moving. They've been moving between 30 and 40 miles an hour all day. So this is your tornado heading north. So Cokesbury, anybody that lives along Warrenton Road, in Brookston, Greystone, be in a safe place now. Oh boy. Yeah, that's a tornado that just went over top of Warrenton Road and it's heading towards Brookston. If you are in Brookston, need to be in a safe place now. They updated the warning, so I'm going to see what they say. It is still observed. It is located near Henderson, which it is. It is now on the northeast side of Henderson, going through the Brookston community and the Greystone community, just across Warrington Road, heading to the north at 40 miles an hour. Excuse me. This is a tornado warning for an observed tornado for Vance and Warren counties in North Carolina until 7:30. I will come back to that. I am going back to Newcastle County, Delaware. And there might be a tornado down in Delaware. Right here. Just crossing Highway 41. Just to the north of Landerberg Junction. If you are in Anglesey, Ashland, Brackenville Woods, Walnut Ridge, and Delaware Heights, you need to be in a safe place now. Nobody should be on Highway 48 or 41 while this is going on. We have 2 tornadoes down. One in Delaware and one in North Carolina. There's a new tornado warning. This is for King George County, Virginia. Let me see here. So that's King George. That should be what? How they do this in weird ways. So it's strictly in Caroline County. So King George, no, it's Caroline County. So here in Caroline County, this is your rotation, moving kind of like this. So Corbin, Travis Mill, Vilboro, Sales Corner, be in a safe place now. We have 2 tornadoes that are on the ground currently. I'm going back. This is a PDS tornado warning in Newcastle County, Delaware. This is a tornado on the ground in Delaware. Moving to the north at 40 miles an hour. Brackenville Woods, Ashland, Yorkland, Auburn Hills, Quaker Hill. You all need to be in a safe place now. Don't wait. Be in a safe place now. This is a tornado on the ground in Newcastle County, Delaware. This is also going to be in Heather Valley. So this is your area of where the tornado is in Heather Valley, along Route 41, along Route 48, near Brackenville Woods, Yorkland, Auburn Hills, Quaker Hill. Be in a safe place now. Do not wait. Go to the lowest floor in an interior room away from windows. Basement if you got one. Since this is observed, I'm going to bounce to this one real quick, and then I'm going back to Delaware. So, looks like so we're Flat Rock. This looks kind of garbled, so we're going to go to, so this is still down. So we're by the Flat Rock community, Harris Crossroads, Williamsboro. Be in a safe place now. This is a tornado on the ground in North Carolina. Going back to the PDS tornado warning in Newcastle County, Delaware. This is a serious situation. There's a tornado on the ground in Newcastle County, Delaware, that's heading towards Chester County, Pennsylvania. Yorkland, Quaker Hill, Brackenville Woods, Brackenville, Gateway Farms, Runnymede, Cornish Hills. Be in a safe place now. Lowest floor in an interior room away from windows. This is going through Westminster. It is around the Westgate Farms community right now. Spring Valley. You should be in a safe place now. Should have been in there when the warning was issued. Whitebriar, Quaker Hill, Yorkland, Ashland, Walnut Ridge. All be in a safe place now. Anywhere in the far northern part of Newcastle County, Delaware, be in a safe place now. There's a tornado currently doing damage. Heading to the north. Looks like it's over Runnymede now. So it looks like it's taking a more jog to the west. So it's maybe doing a northwestern move. So Brackenville, be in a safe place now. Haverford, be in a safe place now. Holly Knolls, Holly Knoll, be in a safe place now. Nobody should be traveling along Highway 41, which is Lancaster Pike, in Newcastle County, period, until this storm passes. We got another tornado warning. That is for Warren and Franklin County. Is this still observed? Confirmed tornado. That might be radar indicated. Let me jump back to this real quick to see if we have. Yeah, it's still on the ground. It's still on ground. Williamsboro, be in a safe place now. This is heading towards Island Creek Estates. This is about to leave the polygon, and there's a new one to its east. Here in Lickskillet, or just to the east of Lickskillet. There's no, excuse me, there's no debris signature with that. So, oh my God, there's more. So there's another tornado warning for Fredericksburg, Stafford, and Spotsylvania counties in Virginia. I need to go back up to Delaware for this tornado, for this PDS tornado. It is over Ashland. Excuse me. And may have maybe starting to lift now, which is over by Yorkland. So if you are in this warning, treat as if a tornado is still down and go to your safe place. That expires in 5 minutes. So does this. We'll go back to this. Yeah, I'm bouncing all over the place, and this is going into outside of the, so probably Wakefield will probably take over the warnings from there. There's still a tornado on the ground. Now we can go to the new tornado warning in Fredericksburg, Stafford, and Spotsylvania counties in Virginia. This includes the city of Fredericksburg. Your rotation is right here. So, oh my Lord. So this is a newly issued tornado warning for the storm that's coming out of Spotsylvania County into the Fredericksburg metro area. It is radar indicated, and that goes until 7:45. We will go back to Delaware because this is still a confirmed or not. That has been allowed to expire. So there has been damage done in Newcastle County, Delaware. I will get details on that momentarily on my other phone. So let's see where we go from here. We're going to go from top to bottom. So we're going to go to Caroline County, Virginia, which is this. Okay, so this left Caroline County. This is over Corbin, heading to the northwest, which issued the tornado warning for Fredericksburg area and Stafford and Spotsylvania counties in Virginia. Okay, so now we got my bearings together after that dangerous situation there in Newcastle County, Delaware. Damage has been done, looks like west of Newport, Delaware. This is over New Post, heading towards the city of Fredericksburg. No debris. So that's a tornado warning for Spotsylvania and the city of Fredericksburg. We now go to Warren County, North Carolina, where we had this tornado that was down earlier. Is here, north of Highway 58. That's State Route 58, not US 58. That's State Route 58. Heading towards Highway 43. Nobody should be on Highway 43, period. Nobody should be on US 158 or 401 in Warrington, period, until this storm passes. And nobody should be on Interstate 85 from the Virginia state line to, we'll just say, 7 miles in the state of North Carolina. This may be part of the tornado there. Okay, so now we're down to 2. So the other one has expired. This looks like debris fallout from the previous tornado that happened down near Henderson that went north. So it's been a hairy little bit here. And so we'll just say in the last 35 minutes, there has been damage in Newcastle County, Delaware, west of Newport. There has been damage here near the Henderson area again. So that is the current gist of what has been going on this evening, as it is 7:30, and now I'm going to see about pictures and visuals or any of that on social media. There are currently no tornadoes down. There are rotations, but yeah. So I gotta see what is going on here. Um, yeah, there's it already started and already caused damage. um, Ah. So So, as far as warnings and the like. This PDS tornado that was in progress in Marshalltown, Delaware, okay, is the first PDS tornado warning in the state of Delaware. That goes to tell you something. Ah, oh my God. I feel bad for him. So, I haven't seen any pictures of damage out of Delaware, but I'm sure that is forthcoming. So, continuing on, this is your rotation here near Warrenton. And there's no debris signature, so that's all good. So that's a tornado warning for Warren County, North Carolina. Let's go up to Fredericksburg. So we got excuse me, getting all choked up all of a sudden. So there is rotation that's on Highway 3 in Fredericksburg. If you are in Fredericksburg, especially from this downtown area east, that's Chatham Heights, Ferry Farm, Argyle Heights, be in a safe place now. Lowest floor in an interior room, away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. As this progresses to the north and west at 40 miles an hour, cutting through Fredericksburg as we speak. So we have 2 tornado warnings. So there are 3 separate severe thunderstorm warnings for Pima County, Arizona. 2 of them are considerable with 70-mile-an-hour winds and 1-inch diameter hail, and one as just a normal severe thunderstorm warning with 60-mile-an-hour winds and quarter-size hail. You have this tornado watch. I will zoom out. This is your tornado watch. This goes until 7 a.m. Friday morning. I'm not even the least bit joking. This is a long duration tornado watch. So persons that are in this blue box that I highlighted needs to have their weather radio on tonight and so they can listen to possible warnings. There are currently 2 tornado warnings as we speak, and I'm getting all choked up over it. This one's in Warren County, North Carolina. I mean, this is just total insanity. Right here near Warrenton. Nobody should be on Business 158. Nobody should be on US 158 route, US 1 or Interstate 85, period, until this storm passes. Norlena, Ridgeway, Warrington, Macon. Be in a safe place now. Safe place is your, if you have a one-level home, it's the interior room. Make sure it's an interior room where you have more walls between you and the outside as possible. Away from windows. This might shape up to be a tornado outbreak of sorts tonight, as these bands keep rotating in from what is left of Tropical Storm Debbie. So there is no debris, so we will go. No, there's a new tornado warning. This is for Spotsylvania County, Virginia. So it is for this rotation that hasn't quite gotten into the county yet. This is over by Ladysmith. This was warned previously, it weakened, and now it's starting to ramp back up again. So boy, I tell you what, I hope not. I fear not. I pray not. But Spotsylvania County, Blades Corner, Mount Pleasant, Penny's Crossroad, Maury, Snell, Spotsylvania Courthouse, Alsop, McHenry, Lane's Corner. Be in a safe place now, and every small community in between. Lowest floor and interior room away from windows. And we are having one heck of a monsoon outside my apartment right now. So there's a tornado warning for Spotsylvania County in Virginia. Let's head on up to. So the tornado warning that was for Fredericksburg has been canceled. So it's just this one and the one here in Warren County, North Carolina. So this is over by 158 Business. This is in process of crossing Airport Road and US 158. So nobody should be traveling along US 158 until this storm passes. There is no debris signature. I am going to take a few minutes to stretch my legs, and I will be right back. Okay. I am back. No, I'm not. I gotta get myself something to drink. I'll be back in 45 seconds. Okay, I am back. I'm gonna get myself something to drink because my throat is getting hoarse. Let me fix my camera so we get this right. Oop. Okay, so we have a crap. It's not angled right. There we go. All right, here we go. Make sure everything is working. Okay. So this is a tornado warning. There's another one. Where am I at? Am I in Spotsylvania? No, I'm not. So we'll go up to Spotsylvania. So it's this rotation down here on the bottom. We're gonna go from top to bottom on the list. No debris. So that's a tornado warning for Spotsylvania County in Virginia. Post Oak, McHenry, Allsop, Spotsylvania Courthouse, Snell, Mount Pleasant. Be in a safe place now. Oh, there's another one. Okay. All right. So we are working my way down that way. So this is tornado warning for Warren County, North Carolina. And the National Weather Service in Virginia has posted a tornado warning for this storm in is it Mecklenburg County? I believe it's in the same area. And yes, it is. So that's for that storm that's coming out of North Carolina into Virginia. There's a new tornado warning for Stafford and Fauquier County in Virginia, which is here. Looks like it's down here in Glendy. So if you are in Crop, be in a safe place now. See if we got any other. So Glendy, Dodge Corner. Looks like just west of the Stafford Regional Airport. No debris. As long as there's no debris, we can, move on. So that is the newest tornado warning for Fauquier and Stafford County in Virginia, which has now been updated. Quickly, how they up? No, that's not updated. Yeah, it is. So this is near Stafford. Okay, so it's near Stafford. So, all right, okay, Stafford. So it's all the way over here. They call it near Stafford. It's not near Stafford. It's near the airport. They could put near the Stafford Regional Airport, but not in Stafford. Anyway, so this is heading towards Glendy, Dodge Corner, Concord, Tackett's Mill, Somerville. Be in a safe place now. Where we go from here? Let's go check on the storm in Spotsylvania County. It is, let me check the structure. I haven't been looking at the structure in most of these. So this looks to be over here near Post Oak. I will tell you this, with any one of these tornado warnings, you will not be able to see them, because all you're going to get is blinding rain, and then it's going to come up on the bottom side of the storm. So you will not see these. So don't even think about going to your patio and looking for it. You will not see it. Let's see. Let's head to Warren County, North Carolina, as this is leaving the county. So this is, or not. Let's see the structure. So we got to watch this down here near Snow Hill. But I believe that this will be over here near Wise. So if you are in Wise or up near the Virginia, North Carolina border, be in a safe place now. Hall, closet, bathroom on the lowest floor, away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. Nobody should be traveling along US 1 or Interstate 85 until this storm passes. Now we go to Stafford and Faulkner counties in Virginia. This is ragged as anything. And it's right here. Dodge Corner. And there may be something to that. Can't say for definite, but if you're in Dodge Corner, Concord, Heflin, or Crop, be in the same safe place now. When I say now, I do mean now. Don't wait. These will come up upon you quickly, and you will not be able to see it. Yeah, and that's where that tight rotation is, right there in Dodge Corner. So Concord, Heflin, Crop, we'll say Somerville, be in a safe place now. We're now down to 3. So Spotsylvania County is off the board. We will go to Warren County, North Carolina. Seems like I'm going back and forth to the same spot, but we got to make sure we keep the eye on the ball here. So let's see. I think it's here, approaching the state line. So if you're in Pascal, be in a safe place now. And then across the state line into Virginia, Palmer Crossroads, Palmer Springs, Racy. Nobody should be on US 1, absolutely, period, until this storm passes. Nobody should be on any of these secondary roads. Nobody should be on Highway 4 until this storm passes. So that's that. Now there's a new tornado warning. That is for Stafford and Prince William counties in Virginia. So that's Mecklenburg. This is Warren. We already been to Stafford and Fauquier. So now we'll go to Stafford and Prince William County, the newest tornado warning. This is, wow. This is near Stafford. Yeah, right about here. Interstate 95. Nobody should be, man, if you're traveling on 95, you're, you talk about being in a bad place. So this is a tornado warning for Stafford and Prince William counties in, I think, Northern Virginia. Yes, Northern Virginia. Until 8:30. And it's located near Stafford. That's what I thought it would be. So near Stafford. So this is it right here, which is crossing Interstate 95 as we speak. Excuse me. So that's that. So let's check. Oh God. There is a tornado down in Crop. Tornado down in Crop. If you are in Heflin, be in a safe place now. Skyline Drive. This is on top of you right now. This is going on over top of Highway 614. It'll be approaching Highway 782 and 617. So if you are in Crop, be in a safe place absolutely right now. If you are just west of Heflin, you need to be in a safe place right now. There's a tornado on the ground. It is clear as day. This is your debris ball. Highway 752, Highway 617, Highway 616, Highway 614. It's on top of you right now. Be in a safe place now. Lowest floor in an interior room away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. This is pretty much a rural part of the county, but damage is being done right now, and it just went through the east side of Crop. And that is observed, which is Stafford and Fauquier counties in Virginia. It is northwest of Stafford. Other locations impacted will include Bealton, Midland, Heflin, Somerville, and Bristersburg. If you're in any of those locations, you need to be in a safe place right now. Mobile homes are a death trap. You need to exit them and find a sturdy shelter. There's a tornado on the ground. It is over Highway 617 right now. It is about to cross over Midland Road, which is Highway 610. It is going to cross over Courtney School Road, which is Highway 637. So if you're in this if you are in any of these areas, be in a safe place now. I do mean now. It doesn't look much on velocity, but you know, there's a tornado on the ground. So this is approaching Somerville. Somerville, you need to be in a safe place absolutely right now. There's another tornado that has touched down. And there is another tornado warning there's another tornado that is down. Where is it? It would be over here, wouldn't it? Gosh. So this, you got this over here that's down, and then you got, let me see where this is located. Might be in the wrong one. No, I am in the right one. It said it's observed. 805 located near Stafford, moving northwest at 35. Independent Hill and Garrisonville. In Garrisonville. Oh, okay. So it was this particular one. It has since been lifted. So we're going back over here because this is on the ground, causing damage. Highway 637, Courtney School Road, Elk Run Road, which is Highway 804, Midland Road, which is Highway 610. Elk Run. Be in a safe place now. There's a tornado on the ground and it's causing damage. Going back to Warren County. That's gone. That's now exclusively in this county here, Mecklenburg County. So I have it on correlation coefficient, so we're going to need this. So this is now up near Bracy. Just crossed Interstate 85. Heading towards Smith's Crossroads, Radcliffe, Dockery, Lombardy Grove, Big Fork. Be in a safe place now. We're going back to this observed one. Wow. This is your, seems like the tornado is lifting, but nonetheless, it may be still on the ground. So if you're in, well, there's just smaller communities here. So, Elk Run, you need to be in a safe place now. Highway 748, Highway 607. That is Shenandoah Path, Barnes Road, Elk Run Road, which is Highway 804, Blackwell Town. Be in a safe place now. As this is lifting this way, okay, so this is starting to dissipate. So, Elk Run, stay in your safe place until you are given an all clear. This one in Prince William. This says observed, but I don't think it's on the ground anymore. This is over Quantico Base. This is over Quantico. If you're in Quantico, you should have been taking your safety precautions by now. This is no longer observed. This is so this is now a new tornado warning for this damaging storm in brother, I'm getting everything tongue tied here. In Fauquier County, Virginia. There's this one that's been observed. So let me go down to the non-observed one, which is Mecklenburg, Virginia. This is messy as anything. Let me go to this. I'm going to say here, near Radcliffe, Smith's Crossroads, Dockery, Lombardy Grove, Big Fork, Cedar Grove. Anywhere in this area, be in a safe place now. And further up the line, Union Level and Baskerville, be in a safe place now. There's a new tornado warning for Fauquier County, Virginia. This was observed. Now it is radar indicated. This is your tornado, or your rotation, I should say. And right now it is just dispersing its damage when it was on the ground. So, Midland, Eustace-town, Casanova, Turkey Run, Metzi, all the way up to Warrington. All the way up. Be in a safe place now. We go next door to this, which is over Quantico Bay. Quantico. There's nothing left of whatever that was. So they updated that. Holy smokes. So Fauquier. So so we go here and then we go here. Yeah, we'll stay with this. Um, this is over an airport. This is over Warrington Fauquier Airport right now. Um, be in a safe place if you're at the airport. Midland, Highway 28. Nobody should be driving along Highway 28, period, until this storm passes. These warnings overlap, so I'm trying to get my bearings together with this. So, like I said, I like to give all clears when I can. If you are from a line, I would say from Highway 644, okay, to Elk Run, south and east. All clear. There's another tornado warning. This is in Northampton County, North Carolina. Holy smokes. So it's down here, Rich Square, moving to the north at 40 miles an hour. Nobody should be driving along Highway 258, period, until this storm passes. Lasker, Lassetier Crossroads, Creeksville, Edwards Crossroads, all in the path of this rotation. Be in a safe place now. So this is radar indicated. That's radar indicated. So we're going to go. So now we're going to go on a radar tour since all of these are now radar indicated now. Starting in Mecklenburg County, Virginia. This rotation is here by Smith's Crossroads, Big Fork, Union Level, Lombardy Grove. Be in a safe place now. I may not be able to get back to you, so if you're in those areas, be in a safe place now. Head to Prince William and Fauquier County. This went over the Quantico base. Let me see the structure of this. So I'm guessing it would be in this area here, which is just north of the Quantico base. Yeah, it's here. Moving to the northwest. So Aden, be in a safe place now. For Camp Barrett, I give you an all clear. Quantico base, stay in your safe spot for, I would say, 5 more minutes, and I will give you an all clear for that. Now we go to Fauquier County, Virginia, which is next door. which is this rotation here over Midland. Okay, and move to this area here, north of Midland. This had a tornado down with it at one time. So be in a safe place now. And then from Midland, this goes for Turkey Run all the way up to Warrington. This path in here. Be in a safe place now. So that's that. And now we go back to Northampton County, North Carolina. So it's down here, just northeast of Rich Square, heading to the north. So Lasker, Pawtuckasee, Milwaukee, Edwards Crossroads, Creeksville, Latimer Crossroads. All areas in between. Be in a safe place now. So with that, we have basically all radar indicated situations here. And then they issue a flash flood warning, which exacerbates the tornado warning problem. So in this case, find a higher ground to seek shelter in. This is crossing US 258 as we speak. I mean, wow. This, in all intents and purposes, will probably be a tornado outbreak label when this is said and done. With all the tornado warnings and all the tornadoes that have touched down between last night, between really early this morning, and this afternoon, and so far this evening, there has been damage report. There was a damaging tornado. There was a PDS tornado in Newcastle County, Delaware, this evening, west of Newport, Delaware. And there have been several confirmed or observed tornadoes in North Carolina and Virginia today. So it has been one heck of a busy day as far as tornado warnings and tornado touchdowns are concerned. Go over here to Mecklenburg County. So the rotation here is approaching Union level. There's no debris. Taking a radar tour again. Okay, we're now down to 4. So now we go to this one is no longer No, that's no longer in. It's no longer observed. It's this one. So we go to this one, which is over this airport, um, which is Warren Falkier Airport, heading to the northwest. So this is a long polygon, so this does include the city of Warrington. Um, so everybody from Midland, so Baleton, Midland line, all the way north through Warrington, be in a safe place now. That's an interior room on the lowest floor, away from windows. No mobile homes, no cars. Nobody should be traveling along US 15/17 or 15/29. Actually, let me take that back. So nobody should be traveling along US 15, 17, 29. Those three are concurrent with each other through Warrington, and then it's 1529 heading up towards Gainesville, and then US 17 that heads north to US 66, or Interstate 66. Nobody should be driving along those highways until this storm passes. Period. So that's two. There's a new tornado warning for Bertie and Halifax County in North Carolina. Your rotation is here along along Highway 11. Nobody should be driving along Highway 11, period, until this storm passes. Nobody should be driving along Highway 308, period, until this storm passes. There is a flash flood warning to the north of this polygon. So in those regards, make sure you are in a safe place on higher ground, away from windows. This is becoming a busy evening. There is no debris. So then again, let me double check that. Okay, so there's no debris. So Cahaba, Lewiston, Woodville, Kelford, Rhodes, be in a safe place now. Let's see. We had one that went off the board. So we go to Falkirk County, Virginia, for this polygon. Where is this since they updated it? So this is this one. Near Bealton, southeast of Warrington. Okay, so southeast of Warrington. Well, I know where Warrington is, so. So this was over, is it Bealton? Sorry, I'm trying to get my areas here. So Bealton. Oh, Bealton. Duh. Okay, so it's right here. Right here. And no debris. That's what I like to see. No debris. So anybody that's in this polygon, Hurleyville, Casanova, be in a safe place now. Now we're down to 3. So now we go to Northampton County, North Carolina, which is a small polygon now. Edwards Crossroads. No debris. So Edwards Crossroads be in a safe place now. This will be leaving the county or the polygon shortly. We will see if that gets reissued. So the Fauquier County tornado warning has been canceled. So now we're down to 2. Now we'll go down to Bertie County. Was it Bertie and Halifax County in North Carolina. Your rotations here. It's been a busy evening, folks. So you got to kind of bear with me. So there's no debris. So nobody should be driving along Highway 11, period. Nobody should be driving along Highway 308, period, until this storm passes. That's the gist of that. Cahaba, I give you an all clear. Cahaba, I give you an all clear. Lewiston, Woodville, Rhodes, Kelford, be in a safe place now. So that is the current gist of everything right now. I've been going at this for another 2.5 hours. I went at it for 3.5 earlier this afternoon with all those tornadoes and stuff earlier this afternoon, and then this evening we had a PDS tornado. We had a PDS tornado in Marshallton, Delaware this evening, which is west of Newport, Delaware. So I'll be looking for damage reports out of there via Twitter or X. Well, you missed some crazy shit. Oh. There was a tornado in Newcastle County, Delaware.
Okay.
They have extended this tornado watch to go all the way through till 7 a.m. tomorrow morning.
Where at?
North Carolina, Virginia, Maryland, and D.C. and the Panhandle of West Virginia.
Damn.
Now I'm searching for some. Uh, now I'm searching for some, kind of like damage kind of thing here on X right now. I am watching a video of the tornado that happened in Newcastle County, Delaware this evening. It was completely shrouded in rain. A lot of these are going to be shrouded in rain. You will not be able to see any of these. And then I'm watching video of the Lewisburg tornado that somebody had posted on X. Yeah, I would agree with that. They could have just added Delaware to that just to save, you know. Well, why were you driving, Ed Sweeney? Should have just stopped and went inside. Now I'm looking at damage from the early morning tornado in Wilson County. Wow. School had some major damage to it. So anyway, this tornado warning has been canceled. Yes, this tornado warning has been canceled. We are down to one, which is in Bertie County, North Carolina, which is here west of Woodville. Hopefully, this might calm down for a little while before it might ramp back up later this evening. But it's just going to be a all-night affair again. So yeah, that's some crazy stuff that happened last night down there in Wilson County. School that was had significant damage to it. Middle school. Since this is the only tornado warning at this current time, if you are in Kelford, Rhodes, Lewiston, Woodville, be in a safe place now. as I continue to look at some more um, um, posts on X. Um, that was a tornado mark from Philly. Um, so I'm watching some video on from X that people have sent in. There was a rotating wall cloud heading towards Lewisburg, which undoubtedly dropped a tornado in Lewisburg. Um, gives me a chance to just sit back and relax while we have just this one tornado warning at the time. Now I'm looking at some damage from Lucama, North Carolina, from last night, from early this morning's tornado. Wow. Um, Picture here of a house that completely lost its roof. All the trees have been snapped in half. Power poles down. I mean, yeah, that was some big stuff there. If you're wondering where I'm at, I'm just looking at my phone on X. Looking at some damage from early this morning tornado in Lacoma, North Carolina, and that tornado warning has since been allowed to be canceled. So I will do this. I will zoom back out and I will show you that there is a tornado watch for a lot of real estate for tonight. Excuse me. It goes basically from all Maryland down to Jacksonville, North Carolina, all the way up to the counties that border Maryland and Pennsylvania. And that goes until 7 a.m. tomorrow morning. So if you are going to sleep tonight, make sure you have your weather radios on. Make sure that the volume on your phones are turned up for when there are any warnings in your area. I am taking a look at the nonsense. Take a look down here to around my neck of the woods. We had a nasty band of heavy rain that just came and pummeled us for in the last hour, which was this band here. This is going to be the band that I'm going to watch as it comes up through the Wilmington area tonight as this goes up to the north. There are massive amount. Let me take off the watch borders. I gotta find it. Here we go. Control panel. Outlooks. View orders. So no, I don't want that. Weather alerts. Here we go. So I will take down the watches and just, there are a lot of people without power right now in this general area. Due to tornadoes being on the ground. And so, yeah, I mean, this has been a rough 2.5 hours here, or a little more than 3 hours here. Unfortunately, it's not going to end anytime soon. So I'm going to take a tour around. Caroline County, there is 1,000 people without power. Spotsylvania County has 2,500 people without power. Fauquier County has 1,000 people without power. Shenandoah County has 700 people without power. As we go down here, Bath County has 150 people without power. Rockbridge County has 470 people without power. I can't get to that because of the flash flood warning. Goochland County has 400 people without power. Nottoway County has 150 people without power. That's flash flood warning. Northampton County has 600 people without power. Obviously, it's way more, Then you go into here in the Lexington area, in Davison County, 1,500 people without power. 4,000 people without power in Rowan County. $2,700 people without power in Craven County. A lot of that had to do with that tornado that happened over during the wee hours of the morning. Craven County is 2,700, so this is all 2,700 people. And then Anson County has 330 people without power, and Gadsden County has 2,200 people without power. There are flash flood warnings galore. Um, as far as severe weather, there's only four, um, four war, special marine warnings, special weather statements, and special and severe thunderstorm warnings. I'm going to step out for a couple of minutes to stretch my legs. I will be back. Stay tuned. I am back. Um, so far, there haven't been any tornado warnings. Um, So I'm going to end this part of the live stream. If any tornado warnings pop up, sure. I will be back to cover them. Also, the severe thunderstorm warnings have ended. Um, so with that, I'm going to say I will see you later on. Later on this evening, if any tornado warnings pop up. If I do not come back on, hopefully I can get some sleep tonight. If not, well, I'll go for another marathon like I did last night. But with that, I hope everyone has a good rest of their evening, and I will be back if conditions warrant.